Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I just would like to talk about how actually to present your case to the Global Talent Independent Talent Officer. Recently I have been approached by lots of PhD graduates in Australia or master graduate in Australia to ask how they can actually present cases to talent officer. They would like to ask my advice. Presently, because we are out of capacity to take more applications, we have too many file notes work on, so we do not take onshore applications that currently they are graduate PhDs or PhD graduate or master graduate. But this video I will go through information with you and then share with you. If you want to lodge by yourself, if you are in Australia and you are PhD graduate, I can provide some advice here. Of course, I will provide some links where you can go through the link and then to apply for yourself. Now, because I am not familiar with the onshore graduate, PhD graduate or master graduate, I cannot provide correct, accurate advice on whether or not your permanent visa will be granted. Of course, we do take some very small percentage of PhD graduates. We only take applications where we have a very special interest on that. And so in this case, we are very interested in some area, for example, agriculture, technology, fintech, as well as medtech. These three areas we are really interested. We don't take any applications that are not falling in these three categories. Now, if you're a PhD graduate or you are doing PhD, you might ask, oh, can you actually apply? Now, under law, if you have a master degree, yes, you can apply. But you will make a significant campaigning statement to state that why you are outstanding. Obviously, you have a master in research, it's likely that you have better background. If you just master by course, then you need to think about whether you have outstanding achievement. Now, in terms of likelihood of obtaining a Global Talent Independent visa, if you're a master degree, if you're just a master graduate and you currently actually just studying PhD, the consideration will be given by the whether your academic performance when you did the master year was good. So in terms of good, you have to obtain at least 85 out of 100 scores. You can calculate according to your own calculation, but it's about that. If you can get 85 out of 100, then we consider our project you did in the past or currently the project you're doing. Now, how likely that your thesis will be published when you're about to get graduated? Now, the consideration will be, of course, whether this will be likelihood that immigration will be very interested in that. So yes, we are very special. We have special interest in agriculture, technology, fintech, as well as medtech. In terms of medtech, we have been approached for candidates that they are not in specific medtech. We have two areas medtech. One is the device, and the other one is actually the research itself. Of course, we have got candidates, they approach us where we can see they have lots of publications. Here we wanted to say that it actually matters, of course, the publications, but consideration will be given by quality of publication citations and how likely and how good you're professional in your given industry. Now, if you want to say how likelihood you will be succeed, you'll be very depending on your own research area. And I believe that your professor will provide you very good judgment whether your research area provides significant knowledge gap in this area. Right, so I think a letter from your professor is very, very important. If they can provide very strong support to you, then the likelihood it will be a lot. So yes, thank you very much for subscribing my channel. I hope this one helps you. If you have any questions, you can provide your comment below or send email to me directly. Bye.